Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to play another super fun test game to check how well you remember letters F to J. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with letter F. Now let's play the sound test game. I'll make a sound, and you have to guess which picture starts with that sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Fa-fa. Which picture starts with this sound? Fish, gorilla, or juice? That's right, F for fish for fish. Fa-fa. Which word starts with F? Flower, house, or jam? Yes, F for flower for flower. Letter G sound test. Ga-ga. Which one starts with the sound goat? Ice cream or hat? Correct. G for goat, ga-goat. Ga-ga. Now tell me gold, juice, or ice? That's right, G for gold, ga-gold. Letter H sound test. Haha. Which picture starts with the sound house? Gorilla or fork? Yes, H for house, a house. Haha. Which one starts with H? Horse, jam, or ice? Good job. H for horse, a horse. Letter I sound test. E. Which picture starts with the sound ice cream? Jacket or goat? Yes, I for ice creamy ice cream. E. Which one starts with ice? Hat or gold? Correct. I for icy. Letter J sound test. Ja-ja. Which picture starts with the sound juice? Fish or horse? That's right. J for juice, ja-juice. Ja-ja. Now listen again, ja-ja. Which word starts with J? Jam, ice, or flower? Yes, J for jam, to jam. Wow, little learners, you did amazing today. You matched all the sounds perfectly. Excellent work. Keep practicing your letters every day. See you soon with the next fun test K2O Phonics.